Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Uh, this video is regarding a letter came from a medical association, Doctors Association, United Doctors Front Association, whose president is Dr. Dipankar Chaudhary. I believe you know him, okay? And actually, a letter written to Honorable Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji, and the subject is regarding the postponement of NEET PG 2023 examination and obviously the revision of internship completion deadline. Okay, so just now we got the result couple of days back of a specialist stay round got conducted, and the result published on 10th of Jan, and on 14th, by 14th candidate need to join. So and the internship completion deadline is kept too early, and almost 75% of candidates, potential candidates from different states are ineligible for NEET PG 2023 due to the mentioned date. Okay, so considering these factors, and since candidates were occupied in the counseling process, so they are getting less time to prepare for the upcoming exam. So considering the regions, the association has requested to Union Health Minister to kindly look into the matter and give a relief to the NEET PG 2023 aspirants by revising the eligibility criteria and postponement of NEET PG 2023 examination for minimum 2 to 3 months. So it's one of the first request came from I officially came from any association. In future we may expect more, but I would suggest don't get too much focus about such things, okay? Because if the exam is not postponed because the application is already getting filled up, if exam is not postponed, then you are going to get loss only. There's no benefit, okay? So don't get too much optimistic about postponement, okay? Before the application got published, we had some kind of news because it was getting delayed, but now it's published all the timelines given. And whenever government body decides on the dates or something, they already have several meetings, and according to that they need to manage the next exam timelines. So it is not very easy to change the dates after it's decided from the government side, unless until it's very genuine reason or like impacting many it's definitely is impacting the eligibility due to revision, due to eligibility criteria of internship completion date. They will definitely revise it, and we already have got word from NMC officials, okay? But postponement of exam is something different topic, and we don't think there are major reasons to postpone. Take a look at last year exam date. Just like 15 days after completion of counseling, they put the examination, okay? So now we have around 1.5 months more than that. So why can't they conduct the exam? Okay, so for these reasons I don't think they will go for postponement of examination, but definitely they need to revise the uh, eligibility criteria for internship completion, so that most number of candidates should get eligible. Okay, so that's all from my side. The purpose of the video is just to give you hint that the chance of postponement is less, okay, considering the previous year scenarios. So you have to keep focus, and don't get too much optimistic that it will get postponed, okay? If any update, okay, which say according to me, in my opinion, it feels like it's really going to get postponed, I will update, and you can join the Telegram group. And I would also suggest don't get too much focus uh, on social media, okay? Just see, just spend like 5 to 10 minutes, okay, to get update on regular basis, so that you don't miss out. And you can join our Telegram group. If you are looking to get an update, you will get all the updates there. So thanks for watching, have a nice day.